All right, guys, thanks for being patient. This is the second portion of our math notes for lesson 23. Looking at our next problem, we have 4,289 divided by 52, and we're going to start by estimating. I'm going to round that 52 to 50, okay? And then my 4,289, I'm going to round that up to 4,500 because I know 5 can go into 45. So I'm just going to round that up to 4,500. I'm going to cross out the zeros that they share. Okay, and 5 can go into 45 9 times, and there's 1 0 left over, so there's going to be 1 0 in the answer. So now I'm going to start by solving my work. So I'm going to draw my little house right here and put my 52 on the outside. And put 4,289 on the inside. Okay. And I'm going to start by saying 52 does not go into 4, so I'm going to put an X or a 0 there. 52 does not go into 42, so I'm going to draw an X or a 0 right there. Then, how many times can 52 go into 428? I don't really know. I'm going to guess and say 8 times. So over here in the corner, I'm going to do 52 times 8. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16, 6 carry the 1. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 is 41. So I have 416. That's as close as I can get to 428 without going over. So I'm going to draw my 8 right here. Subtract 416. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus nothing is 4. Now I need to bring down my 9. How many times can 52 go into 129? I'm going to take a wild guess, and I'm going to say only 2 times. So I'm going to do 52 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. And that is as close as I can get to 129 without going over. So I'm going to put my 2 right here. I'm going to subtract 104 from 129. I'm going to do 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus nothing is nothing. Or 1 minus 1 is nothing. So my remainder of 25 is smaller than my divisor of 52. So my final quotient is going to be 82 remainder 25, which is close to 90. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to check my work. I'm going to do 52 times 82 plus 25. So I'm going to do 82 times 52. Okay, draw my turtle head. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. Drop an egg. 5 times 2 is 10. 0, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Or 5 times 8, I'm sorry. I don't know where I got. Let's see here. 5 times 2 is 10, carries 1. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 1 is 41. There we go. I made a mistake there. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down my 4. Now I need to add my 25 remainder. So I'm going to do this. 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. Bring down my 2. Bring down my 4. 4,289, which is my original dividend. So that means that my final quotient of 82 remainder 25 is correct. All right, guys, that is it for our math notes today. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to message me or do whatever you have to do to reach out to get some help because I am here to help you guys. All right, take care and good luck.